Here's how you make your very own McDonald's Big Mac. Alright, we're going to start with the famous Big Mac sauce. In this bowl I've got mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, mustard and a white wine vinegar. We're going to mix those together with our seasonings, which are paprika, onion powder and garlic powder. Mix that all together until you get this beautiful orangey yellow Big Mac sauce. Set the sauce aside whilst we work on the beef patties. I use this small cake tin as my beef patty mold. I just press it down and it's got this handy feature where it opens and closes. So once I'm happy with it and it's all been pressed down nice and firm, I just open it up and remove it and there's your beef patty. Super easy. Now this isn't a beef mixture, it's just 100% beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Oil a pan, make sure the pan is nice and hot, and I want to hear this sound. If it hasn't made that sound, then your pan isn't hot enough and you're not going to get a nice crust on your beef. Remember, this is a really thin patty, so we're going to go hard and fast with this. About 30 seconds to a minute each side, so it's really important to have a really hot pan so you get that beautiful crust like that. Now we're ready to assemble. Take a sesame seed brioche bun. We're going to apply our amazing Big Mac sauce. Following that, some white onion, lettuce, some plastic cheese, and of course our beef patty. Now that's the first layer done. We're going to set that aside and work on the next layer. Again, a bottom layer bun. More Big Mac sauce going on top of that, followed by some white onion, some more lettuce, and then some pickles or gherkins, of course. Following that, we're going to add our final beef patty, top it off with a top layer of the bun, and then you're just going to stack the two together, forming or creating the famous Big Mac. There you have it. Give it a press and enjoy your Big Mac. Thanks for watching. If you can like, subscribe, and share it with a friend, I would be grateful.